Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dears. What is your name?
My name is Muthu Prakash Bal.
What is your name?
My name is Ravikumar Kolkar.
What is your name?
My name is Amashika Chutta.
Okay. What is your father name, Muthu?
My father name is Prakash Padiyar.
What is your father name, Abhay?
My father name is Uditkumar Kolkar.
What is your father name, Samarth?
My father's name is Amo Shrikant Huddar.
Very good. What is your mother name, Muthu?
My mother's name is Sunanda Badikhe.
Okay. What is your mother name, Abhay?
My mother's name is Lakshmi Kolkar.
What is your mother name, Samarth?
My mother's name is Deepa Shrikant Huddar.
Okay. How old are you, Muthu?
I am 6 years old.
How old are you, Abhay?
I am 6 years old.
How old are you, Samarth?
I am 6 years old.
Okay. What is your school name, Muthu?
My school name is Tollas Town.
What is your school name, Abhay?
My
Hmm.
school name is Toddler Town.
What is your school name, Samarth?
My school name is Toddler's Town.
Okay. How many brothers and sisters you have, Muthu?
I have
Huh.
3
Elder sisters.
elder sisters.
Tell me once again. I have.
I have 3 elder sisters.
Very good. How many brothers and sisters you have, Abhay?
I have 1 younger sister.
How many brothers and sisters you have, Samarth?
I have 1 younger sister.
Very
and
good. Okay. What is your hometown, Muthu?
My hometown is Belgavi.
What is your hometown, Abhay?
My hometown is Belgavi.
What is your hometown, Samarth?
My hometown is Belgavi.
Okay, dears. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.